Have you ever wondered what GraphQL is and how it works? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. GraphQL is a query language for APIs, birthed by the innovative minds at Facebook. It's not just any query language, though. It's a more efficient and powerful alternative to the traditional REST APIs that many of us are familiar with. But what sets GraphQL apart? It's the user-centric nature of this technology. GraphQL allows clients to request precisely what they need, no more, no less. It's like going to a restaurant and ordering a custom dish with only your favorite ingredients. This approach not only makes data retrieval more efficient, but also reduces unnecessary data overfetching. It's a win-win, right? So now that we've got a basic understanding of what GraphQL is, let's dive into how it functions. So how does GraphQL work exactly? Well, it all starts with the schema definition. The server defines a schema that outlines the types of data that can be queried and their relationships. This schema then serves as a contract between the client and server. Next comes the query language. Clients use this language to specify exactly what data they need, right down to the fields and relationships. And unlike REST, which may have multiple endpoints, GraphQL typically has just one, a single endpoint where all queries and mutations are sent. Once the server receives a query, it's up to the resolvers to fetch the requested data. Each field in the query corresponds to a resolver function. The server then validates the query against the schema and executes it. Finally, the response. The server sends the data back to the client in the exact shape and structure defined in the query. This step-by-step process forms the backbone of how GraphQL operates. You might be wondering what makes GraphQL so special. Well, let's delve into its unique benefits. First off, GraphQL is highly efficient. It allows clients to request exactly the data they need, reducing the common problem of overfetching and underfetching data. This efficiency extends to the number of requests too. Instead of multiple requests to different endpoints for related data, all necessary data is retrieved in a single request. GraphQL also boasts strong typing and introspection. The schema serves as documentation, allowing tools to generate code and perform validation. Keeping things real-time, GraphQL supports live data with subscriptions, perfect for chat applications, notifications, and live updates. Plus, adding new features to a GraphQL API won't break existing clients, as they can choose whether to request these new features. And let's not forget its growing ecosystem. With a wealth of tools, libraries, and community support, GraphQL is ever evolving. These advantages make GraphQL a popular choice for developers. But where exactly can we use GraphQL? Well, its versatility allows it to shine in numerous situations. For instance, it's highly suitable for web and mobile applications which require efficient data fetching. Moreover, in a microservices architecture, GraphQL can serve as a potent API gateway for aggregating data from multiple services. When it comes to the Internet of Things, GraphQL efficiently handles real-time data from multiple devices. It's also a game changer in content management systems, providing a more streamlined way to query and manage content. And let's not forget e-commerce platforms, where GraphQL can help deliver personalized shopping experiences by optimizing data retrieval. Now let's visualize this with an example. Consider an e-commerce website. Traditionally, you'd have to make multiple requests to get product information, reviews, and user data. But with GraphQL, you can send a single query specifying the exact fields and relationships you need. As you can see, GraphQL's versatility and efficiency make it a powerful tool in a variety of situations.